So if you are in Munnar, I would tell you, please do take this ride, enjoy the scenic beauty.
Lakkam Waterfall, it is a part of Eravikulam National Park itself. Beautiful flower which will blossom once in 12 years.
We are in the sandalwood division of Marayur. Now 800 liters of this juice will be evaporated. At last we spotted one apple which was only for us.
Hello friends, welcome to Anjudev vlogs. Dears, it's time to check out from this hotel, but doesn't mean that we are going to end up with a trip. So today, where are we going? We will go to Marayur and Kanthalloor route. Let's see what all options are there and where all we can explore. Come, let's start. Yes, we reached Eravikulam National Park. So this is the place where you get to see tar animal, which is a species of goat. So let's see if we are lucky enough to spot any of them. It's really cold here. I think out of 3 days where we were in Munnar, today is the coldest. Yeah, let's go inside. Here they are charging 200 for adults. For foreigners it is 500 and for children it is 150. For students also it is 150. There are two options. Either you can climb up the hill. It will take around 1.5 hours to reach the hilltop. Or you can take a bus from here. Anyways, we are planning to take the bus. You have the option for booking it online as well. So this is the waiting room wherein we have to wait for boarding the bus. Let's see if we are lucky enough to spot at least one tar.
Definitely this journey is worth it. Look at the beautiful tea estates. How fabulous it is. So if you are in Munnar, I would tell you, please do take this ride, enjoy the scenic beauty and try to spot out some rare species of tar.
So we are just crossing the forest checkpost Rajamala. Oh, see?
The water is falling from the rocks. It's too good, no?
Yeah, a small waterfall. Just came out of the bus, so we have to halt here. You get to see the tar shop, the story of the park. Now we have to climb up this beautiful hill and then let's spot out the beautiful cute animal, tar. Nilgiri tar. Nilgiri tar ki jai. We have to climb this high to find a tar. Let's try it out. Now it's morning trekking. If you are coming to Eravikulam, make sure that you come a bit early, around 8:39, so that you will be lucky enough to spot the animal, and also it won't be very crowded. You can see a lot of fog, mist. This is definitely a heavenly place. So if you are here, this is a must visit. Even if you spot tar or not, at least to enjoy this beauty, the scenic nature.
I would recommend to visit this place for sure. You can find this rare species of flower, Neelakurni. Neelakurni is a type of beautiful flower which will blossom once in 12 years. So if you are really lucky enough, you can come during that period and witness that. These are Shola forest. Sholas are a mosaic of montane evergreen forest and grasslands which are found only in a high altitude which is above 1500 meters. You can see a beautiful temple. See how nice it is. This is in the middle of the forest. It is giving a different ambience altogether. People whoever went uphill told us that they couldn't spot any tar today. So maybe we are not very lucky today. We will have to come some other time to spot tar animal. But it's okay. Still it's worth visiting this place because of the beautiful nature, and it is definitely a nice trekking place too. നീലക്കുറിഞ്ഞി പൂത്തും അല്ലിക്കാടും പൂവിട്ടു ആയിരം വർണ്ണജാലം ആടിപ്പാടും വേളയിൽ. So this is the maximum limit where people are allowed to climb. After this there is no entry. Alas, today's unlucky people we couldn't spot any tar. But next time we will come for sure. Our bro had come once before this, so that time he could see lot of tar and it was standing almost everywhere it seems. So today we are actually unlucky. Not only we, many people here are feeling the same. But it's okay, we will come again. It's very near to our home. I think we will have to wind up from the Eravikulam National Park and get back to the bus and go down, and let's go to the next spot. As I said earlier, please do try to visit this place a bit early because you can see how crowded this place has become now. So it's better you plan your trip and come here around 8:39. Dears, we are just near to Anamudi Peak. It is the highest peak in Western Ghats and the highest in south of India. But the problem is it is really foggy. My dear viewers, today I am here with you to present few other products from Mama Earth. This is something really relevant for the current climate, which is summer. This is nothing but the sunscreen. Whenever you go out, dears, please make sure that you apply a proper sunscreen so that you can prevent your skin from getting damaged because of the ultraviolet rays. Damages can come in many forms. You can get dark spots, tanning, pigmentation, and even itchy and dry skin. Here goes 2 sunscreens from Mama Earth, which is the Hydrogel Indian Sunscreen and the Ultralight Indian Sunscreen, which is very much suitable for the Indian skin type. The Hydrogel Indian Sunscreen comes with aloe vera and raspberry, whereas the Ultralight Indian Sunscreen comes with carrot seed and turmeric. Both these are paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types. These two comes with an SPF 50 PA+++, so it is going to really protect your skin from the sun damages that can cause to you. The highlight of this sunscreen, the Hydrogel Sunscreen, is that apart from providing proper sun protection, it also provides required moisturization for your skin. Now, going to the highlight of Ultralight Indian Sunscreen. This one also provides sun protection, but apart from that, what additionally it does is that it is going to give you a good ultralight finish so that there won't be any white patches on your skin. Also, this reverses tanning. Altogether, these 2 sunscreen protects your skin from skin damages, as well as it reverses tanning and also provides required moisturization to your skin. While using the sunscreen, make sure you're going to apply it on all the parts which are going to get exposed to the sunlight. Apply dots all over your face, neck, hands, wherever you're going to get exposed to sunlight, and then massage in a circular motion and make sure it is completely absorbed onto the skin.
going to the highlight of this brand, Mama Earth, is that they have this plant goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, Mama Earth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mama Earth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as part of this initiative. Second point is that they are plastic positive. Mama Earth is plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. Mama Earth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Mama Earth official website and their app. You can use the code DAVE2022 and you're going to get a 20% discount on Mama Earth official website and their app too. On the way to Marayur, you can come across this fascinating waterfall, which is the Lakkam Waterfall. It is a part of Eravikulam National Park itself. So let's go inside and have a sneak peek into the waterfall. 8 am to 4 pm is the timing. Munnar is definitely a heavenly destination. Please don't miss it. Visit at least once in your lifetime. Let's push up. Oh guys, look at the great waterfall. You can even take bath here. So if you are coming here, please come prepared for that as well. People are enjoying. You can see a lot of crowd here. Here it is mentioned that visit to forest areas carry the risk of accident due to the wild animals, drowning in water, accidental fall. So there is lot of risk here. So when you are here, please do take care of all those. This is the beauty of Kerala, God's own country. Even you have all the facilities of changing rooms also here. People are having really fun. They're enjoying swimming and taking a shower in the waterfalls. We are in the sandalwood division of Marayur. You can see a lot of sandalwood here, the sandal forest. You can see this number. This number is given only for sandalwood tree. NSR means Nachivayal Sandal Reserve. So NSR and a number they would be providing. We are in Marayur GR Spice. This is a Marayur Jaggery Factory. You can see many such factories on the way. Let's see how the jaggery is being made. This is a jaggery processing unit. The owner of this place is Jobin. He clearly explained to us how this sugarcane is crushed and then it is processed to form jaggery. I will just show you the process. So the sugarcane gets unloaded here and the unloaded sugarcane is collected and then it is washed here. There is this processing unit which will crush the sugarcane into juice. Now this sugarcane juice will be taken through this pipe and it will reach this tank. The storage unit involves 3 filtration. After this 3 steps of filtration, the sugarcane juice will be taken to the hot boiling tank. This boiler can accommodate around 1000 liters of juice. Now 800 liters of this juice will be evaporated and there will be only 200 liters. That is the right consistency for the preparation of jaggery. So once this 200 liters is left behind, it will be taken to this wooden processing unit. That is how the jaggery powder is made and it will be molded into balls, jaggery balls. Why they use this wooden processing unit is because it has a natural moisture so that it is easier to make it powdered. This is powdered in a way that this can be used by diabetic patients also. So only in this processing unit they will actually clean it properly and prepare the jaggery out of it. Marayur jaggery is world's #1 jaggery. It is the highest quality of jaggery available in the world. Let's go to the shop and taste some fresh jaggery which is prepared right here. Super taste. Anyways, jaggery will be usually good, so it is super tasty. Now we got some 2-3 packets to our home. Oh, we came to Kanthalloor, which is famous for organic fruits farming. Here they have 5 acres of land wherein they are doing fruit farming.
The season is from April to December. So right now we cannot see much fruits. But whatever is left out, we will try to shoot. Orange. Orange, guys. Orange. Mosambi. So this Devadaru will take 100 years, it seems, to bloom. This is strawberry guava. Eda? Huh? Pear. Okay, pear. This is pear. This is balloon plant. This is passion fruit. They also provide farm stay. Just imagine if you come here around April, May, you can see everything. Plum though. Kilo 1000 rupees. So, blackberry. That orange color, no? It should turn black. 1 kg, it is 1000 rupees. That is a different type of tomato. Maratakali. So this is apple plant. May, June, July, if you come here, you can see apple. Now it is not the right season. This is Neelakurni. To see the flowers, you have to come maybe once in 12 years. If you are blessed enough, you can witness. Neelakurni had bloomed 2 years back. So you have to wait again 10 more years. So we are planning to visit this place again in May, June, July around. So let's see the real fruits. Spotted one apple. At last we spotted one apple, which was only for us. Strawberry. Banana tree. Stone banana tree. Upwards you can see vegetable farming. If you come during season time, they will pluck and give you fresh fruits. On Sunday it is difficult to find the person who is there to pluck and provide you the fruits. So try to come here on other weekdays. And Kanthalloor is definitely a beautiful place. You can see the fog around me. So when you are in Munnar, you can also plan a one-day trip, or maybe you can stay in Kanthalloor as well. You can visit similar farms. There are many farms. And the beautiful pleasant climate also. You can witness lot of organic fruits, how they are doing farming, everything. So it's worth coming or hiking up to Kanthalloor. And the route towards Kanthalloor is also scenic. It is an awesome ride. So definitely don't miss out Kanthalloor. I would say Munnar is one of my favorite travel destination right now. Out of the places whichever I visited, Munnar definitely stands to be one of the best. If you have never been to Munnar, please do visit Munnar. The beauty of tea plantations, the mist and fog around you, the beautiful farming, the vegetables, fresh air, everything together, it is going to be really worth it. So please do come to Munnar, plan a visit. God's own country Kerala, proud to be a Keralite. It's time to sign off. Anjudev vlogs. See you soon. Please continue supporting me. Like, comment, provide all your suggestions. See you soon. Until then, bye bye. With lots of love, Anjudev vlogs.